John, you've been on the go ever since you were born, and I imagine few people in the world today have travelled as much as you have. Now why?
Well, I don't know. Some of us like to do loose footing.
Behind which lurks the absurd notion of leaving your house.
Traveling man, where you been? You've been gone so long. My, how you been traveling? Come back where you belong.
With no idea where to go, how to eat, or what to do, it's impossible to stop the whole thing turning into a monumental fludger.
Traveling man. Traveling man.
We're here. This is Travel Without Mercy.
Don't hate to see no ordinary life. We give, we take, to see no temporary high. The rise, the fall, the shit is messing with my mind. I'm off the wall, now I'm running for the lights. Yo, I'm on, yeah, I do this every night. It's right, it's wrong, I do this every single time. Well, fuck it, it's on, I just wanna touch the sky. Cause now I see the white lines and blue skies. Who told you that we can fly? White line all the time. Who told you that we can fly? So far, so good, I'm bad. It's just something that I like. Before I die, I'm just trying to live my life. Say yes, say no, but you don't have to ask me twice. I'm in my zone, you know. I want the feeling like I'm breaking through the ceiling, and I just wanna touch the sky. Yeah. 'Cause now I see the white line and blue skies. Who told you that we can fly? Oh yeah. White line all the time. Who told you that we can fly? Oh yeah. Soldier, you can fly. Oh yeah. White line and blue skies. Who told you that we can fly? White line all the time. Who told you that we can fly? Oh yeah. White line and blue skies. Who told you that we can fly? Yeah.
glad you're going to keep on rambling.
Oh, yes. Have to.